My name is Ali Vallier. I am a drummer. I've been playing for about 10 or so years now. I started when I was in secondary school, got some lessons and have loved it ever since. I studied it for college, I studied it for university, so yeah, music has kind of become my life. Currently I'm doing a lot more like independent work, but I am open to session work. I'm open to band work and things like that. I do some session things at the moment, just the very kind of basics, just whilst I'm managing a work-life kind of balance and then being able to do my music on the side. So I play the standard Collision 7A drumsticks. I think they're really great sticks. You know, you've got a great grip on them. They're comfortable to play with as well. I've played with some sticks before that just feel really horrible and kind of sharp. These sticks are, yeah, really soft, really great grip to get on them. They're very durable. You know, I've been bashing on these, and the fact that they're still in one piece is a great, you know, is a great sign. There's a lot of flexibility with them as well when playing the drums. Kind of the bounce you get with the stick. You know, I like the lightness of 7As. It just makes it feel a bit more durable, that I can do things with it. And I think, you know, along with that, Collision's also just a great brand. The people that work at Collision, they're always super friendly and helpful. You know, any orders, they're shipped really quickly. I think it's just an all-round, you know, great brand, and it's great to be able to connect with so many drummers through Collision. So I'm going to do a little playthrough for you. It's my old band called Care. We were a duo, and we released this song on Spotify a couple of years ago. It's called Gentle Boy. So I'll be playing through that for you. I wrote and I recorded the drums on the Spotify single, and yeah, this is it. Gentle boy, are you in the real world? Breathing in, and then you never let it out. Tender boy, open your eyes. Gentle boy, I need you by my side. Gentle boy.